Okay, hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. In this video I'm going to be talking about for everyone having email issues. Now these are two ways to resolve it. You have email address issues or password issue. Let's say you forgot your email. Okay, how do you get it back, or you forgot your password? To use the portal part, come to efacility.gov.jamb.gov.ng. okay, and the email you should put in here is the mail that you used for registration. So if you forgot your password, all you need to do is just click on forgot password, click here to reset it. It will take you to a link, and you put in your details. It will now send you a mail to that mail, and you do the correction. All right, another way is to if you have that phone number you use for your JAMB registration, what you need to do is send password. Can you see this in capital letter? Then type in your email, leave a space, type in that email, then send to 55019 as text message. Okay, and you would get your login details immediately via SMS. That's, you use that phone number you use for JAMB registration. All right, that's what you do. You text message, password in capital letter, one space, then put in your email. All right, that's what you do using the SMS method. Now if your problem was wrong email and all that, I don't have a direct solution. What I can advise you to do is go to a JAMB CBT center. Okay, but having a wrong email does not stop your chances of gaining admission. Okay, because all you need on your JAMB caps is to be able to upload your WAEC results, which you can do in a JAMB CBT center, and also to print your JAMB original results, which you can contact DTW. WhatsApp us on 080-3873-2879. WhatsApp us. We can print your original JAMB result slip. We can also print your admission letter. We can also help you check your admission status. Okay, so what I advise students is, if you use a wrong email during JAMB registration, please, when you are registering for your post-UTME, use a correct email, so you can always receive mails from your school university portal. All right, and whenever your school, you follow information, whenever they release admission and say, oh, it has been sent to your JAMB caps, you can come to us and we will check your admission status and send to you. And when you gain admission, you can now go to a JAMB CBT center to accept admission. Okay, so it doesn't stop you. You are blessed and destined to win. Please do share this video, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. Share this video to someone that needs this help. Having a wrong email doesn't stop your chances of gaining admission. I have just broken it down for you. So that is all you need. You are blessed. Please do share.